What is Thouzer? Imagine a typical manual handling cart, the kind you see in warehouses, factories, and hospitals, an everyday necessity for goods transportation. Let's give this cart motors, battery, and Doog's proprietary navigation system. Hey look! It becomes Thouzer. Thouzer looks just like a powered assist cart that has a joystick on top. Now, you can move it easily, but you don't have to because it can follow you with only a button press. This is one of Doog's proprietary navigation functions. Just by having this, you can double or triple your productivity without any complicated setup. Did I mention no tracker is needed? Thouzer may seem small, but it can transport up to 1 ton of payload. It can handle palletized goods and tow multiple carts behind. It's incredibly powerful for its size. Just think of it like your mini tugger train or pallet mover. Users can build any top structure on Thouzer for many different applications. It works in both indoor and outdoor environments, just like how you use any of your carts. Now that's what I call true flexibility. That's not all. You can set up autonomous routes on your own. Thouzer will be just like your industrial truck, except it is driverless now.
But wait, I can't do programming. How am I supposed to set this up?
It's simpler than you think. Setting up an autonomous route doesn't need Wi-Fi, on-site facilities add-on, and you don't have to deal with complicated software interface. Just press a button to set up, bring Thouzer from the start to the end of the route, save the route, and you're all set. Press the play button at the start point and see it move towards destination autonomously.
That's great, but can it also run autonomously in outdoor and dynamic environments?
Yes, users have the option to add additional navigation sensors if needed, making it simple for autonomous navigation to run consistently, even in challenging environments. Even if the layout changes or the route becomes completely blocked, users can quickly resolve navigation issues, regain control, and minimize downtime by redoing the setup easily. This keep it simple approach will enable anyone to use Thouzer as an indispensable automation tool.
This is different from the usual AGV-AMRs I've seen. It looks easy for my team to learn, and we can apply it to various tasks. Let me write down some of the ideas here. But I'll need assistance with customization. How can I get support?
Thouzer is backed by Doog's extensive network of distributors across Asia, Europe, and America. With years of expertise in system integration and automation across diverse industries, these trusted partners are ready to assist you with everything. From simple upper structure designs and towing solutions to a vast range of customized options to meet your unique application needs. This is Thouzer, the robotic cart from Doog, a high-performance mobile robot with tool-like simplicity and flexibility, empowering users to improve their intralogistics operations.